Hey, it's meteorologist Corey Reppenhagen here, taking a look at your forecast for Friday, and we'll have a very similar situation where we'll have afternoon thunderstorms that could be slight coverage, but there's also a chance for severe weather. So let me take you through futurecast here. Starting out at 7 o'clock on Friday morning, we'll notice the cloud cover, we'll feel the moisture in the air, and that is at least one ingredient that we have going for us as far as getting those thunderstorms going in the afternoon. Probably seeing very little in the way of actual sunshine as we go through the morning hours, maybe a few spots of sun right before the thunderstorms start to develop here across the area in the early afternoon. Just light coverage or scattered coverage here across the Front Range. The best chance to see some severe weather will be to the east and to the northeast of Denver, and that will go all the way till about 7 o'clock on Friday night. So temperatures going to be a little bit warmer here in the afternoon, highs into the 80s across the Front Range, 82 in Denver, some upper 80s on the northeast plains. And as far as that severe weather target, we'll have some severe weather out of state here in Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas, but our bullseye up here is generally to the north and northeast of Denver Metro. Really going to be watching the I-76 corridor for the severe weather. That's 1-inch hail or larger. Fort Collins and Greeley also included. This just means the ingredients are best in this green polygon. You notice Denver's not included, but we should be able to see at least one or two strong to close to severe storms in the Denver metro area, and that could include pea-size to nickel-size hail. So let me zoom out here, show you statewide, starting at 8 a.m. on Friday morning. Look at the cloud cover across the eastern half of the state. Showers starting to develop by 1 o'clock. Between 1 and 4:30, best chance here in Denver to see one of those strong to possibly severe storms. And then out on the eastern plains, futurecast not too enthusiastic about the I-70 corridor, but that is where the best ingredients are. So if we do get a storm in there, that's where we would expect the strongest storms to be. You notice the big storm system out here, that's the center of the low pressure circulation in Utah. That's actually going to kind of dissolve through our area, and that's going to leave us not completely alone on Saturday, but Saturday will be much more isolated with a lower chance to see severe weather, except for maybe up here in the northeast corner. So you've got about a 30% chance to get rain where you live, and about a 2 to 5% chance to get large hail. So, and it starts to dissolve over the weekend, and then we may see some more thunderstorms on Monday and Tuesday before we have a little heat wave towards the end of the week. That's a look at your forecast. Hope you all have a real nice weekend.